Hello, Delicious Dishes 101 fans. Today I'm bringing you by popular demand my flan recipe. Your ingredients are going to be 4 eggs, a can of evaporated milk, a can of condensed milk, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, a cup of brown sugar, and a tablespoon of sour cream. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. And we're going to take a large skillet over medium heat, and we're going to take our cup of brown sugar and melt that slowly. You want it to be over medium heat so it doesn't burn. If it burns, it's not going to be any good. You're going to swirl that onto a glass container, and we're going to put that in a water bath. Now we're going to pour into our mixer the can of evaporated milk, the can of condensed milk. We're gonna add our tablespoon of vanilla extract. We're gonna add 4 eggs. And the secret ingredient is a tablespoon of sour cream. That's gonna give it a creamy, decadent texture. You're going to pour that mixture over the brown sugar and pop that into the 350 degree oven for 1 hour. And these are the results. You're going to want to let that flan cool on your countertop before placing it in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours. Once you remove it from the refrigerator, you're going to want to take a butter knife and slide it along the edges and flip it onto whatever serving tray you would like. And look at that delicious, decadent flan. Enjoy!